Okay. Good afternoon once again, girls. Good afternoon. And this afternoon, we have 45 minutes to work on with this topic. Actually, we are particular and we are familiar with this topic, okay, for this afternoon. And I am only giving you additional information for this. Okay, I am sharing my screen now. How about my what do you call this? How about my signal? Is my voice clear? Will you please type one if it is clear, please?
Teacher, are
Type
you
one in your
sharing the
chat
screen?
box. Yes.
Are you sharing the screen?
Not yet, not yet. Can you see now my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Just one test. I'm using my second screen. Okay. So that I can okay. So again, so this afternoon we have this topic. As I told you, we are already particular with the input and the output devices. Okay, but I can give you, or I will give you additional information or with the input and output devices. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so at the end of the session, we are or you are expected to classify the computer devices into output, uh, I'm sorry, that is input, output, input, and input or output. So we're going to identify those devices that are under the input, under output, or both input and output devices. Okay? Oh, the big question is how? Okay, the big question is how. If we are working with the input and output devices, the big question is how. So, do you ever wonder, class, do you ever wonder how information gets in your computer and how comes out in a form you can use? Remember, remember that the computer does not recognize letters, does not recognize numbers, and of course does not recognize images. Okay? What the computer only recognizes is the 0 and 1. Okay, the 0 and 1. And we have another session for that, on how the computer reads or interprets the data. Okay, let's go back to the question. Do you ever wonder how information gets in your computer and how comes out in a form you can use? So it is only possible with the help of devices. Okay, with the help of devices. And class, we are particular with the different hardware components of the computer system. We've done with a different computer. We are particular with the internal hardware components. We are particular with the parts of the motherboard. And of course, we are particular with the different computer peripherals. Okay, I will accept them. So we have here, it is only possible with the help of devices. Look at the picture on my right side. Okay, look at the picture on my right side. We have here an example of